Hello students, today we are going to start our next chapter of business studies, that is planning. So first of all, meaning of planning. Planning means thinking in advance, that what is to be done, when is to be done, how is to be done, and by whom it should be done. It means planning is a bridge or gap in this where we are stand today and where we want to reach in future. The gap between 2 points is called planning. Some features and nature and characteristics of planning. The first point is planning contributes to objective. It means planning start with the determination of objective. Without objective, we cannot plan anything. The second main characteristics is planning is the primary function of management. It means before doing any work, our first activity is thinking about the work. That is called planning. So planning is the primary function of management. The third point is pervasive. Planning is required at all the levels. It does not require only top level or at middle level, but it requires at all the levels. It means planning exists at every place, every type of organization, and at every level. It means exists at everywhere. That is called pervasive. The next point is planning is futuristic or forward looking. Planning always means looking for the future, not for the past. It means what we want to do in the future, that is called planning. So planning is futuristic or forward looking, not the backward looking. The next main characteristics is planning is continuous function. It means planning is a never ending process. After making plan, we are ready for the changes in the future. It means if one work is completed, that is not means that planning is ended, but it requires changes. That's why we call planning is continuous. Our next point is planning involves decision making. With the help of planning, we can take the decision because different type of alternatives are available. We have to select most suitable alternative with the help of planning. That's why planning involves decision making. Our next characteristics is planning is a mental exercise. It means planning is a mental process which requires higher thinking, higher level of intelligence. Due to this feature, we call them planning is a mental exercise. Importance and significance of planning. The first point is planning provides direction. It means if we prepare a plan that what we want to do, that time we have direction. Planning works as a map that provide direction. So with the help of planning, we can easily achieve our goals. The next importance is planning reduce the risk of uncertainties. It means if we plan something, that time we already know about the problems. So there is less chances of uncertainties. If the uncertainties is less, so the risk is also reduced. Next point is planning reduce overlapping and wasteful activities. It means the organization plans are made keeping in the mind the requirement of all the departments. So, the departmental plans are derived from the main organizational plans. In simple words, if we want to do any activity, so we decide that which worker will do which work, and we assign the work according to the capacity. So one work cannot be completed by the two workers. It means there is less chances of overlapping in the case of planning, because we already plan that which work will be done by the which worker. The next point is planning promotes innovative ideas. Planning requires high thinking and it is an intellectual process. So, that intellectual process provide many innovative ideas. Our next point is planning facilitates decision making. With the help of planning, manager can take various decisions. First of all, planning means thinking in advance, prediction for the future. This prediction helps in the decision making. The next point is planning establishes standard for controlling. It means where we are stand today and where we want to reach in future, and the gap in between is called planning. So if we cannot achieve our goal in the future, that time we measure what is the reason for this variation, why I can't achieve my goal. That is happening with the help of planning. But with the importance, some limitation is also exist. The first limitation is planning leads to rigidity. It means if we are decided something, so changes cannot be easily possible. So due to this feature, we can say that planning leads to rigidity. The second limitation is planning may not work in dynamic environment. It means we plan something if there is less chances of changes. It means if any organization there are lots of chances of changes, for that organization planning is not possible. So we can say that planning does not exist in dynamic environment. The next main point is it reduces creativity. Planning provides a path or a map. On this, the workers have to work without thinking. It means, for example, if I am giving a map that this is the map for going in the Lucknow, but it is only path for going to the Lucknow. So that time you cannot achieve any other path for going to Lucknow, because I already provide you a map. So that reduces your creativity. You cannot calculate or you cannot assume anything on their own, because you have already ready-made solution provided by me. So that reduces your creativity. The next feature is it is a time consuming process. Before doing any work, first of all, we will have to think. That requires time. So, it is a time consuming process. Planning involves huge cost. For planning, high operational persons are required. They need money. So this point indicates that planning involves huge cost. Our next important point is planning does not give guarantee success. It means we already plan for the future. What is happen, what will be happen in future, we don't know. Maybe it happen, maybe it not. So it depends on situation. So sometime over planning will be successful and sometime planning will be fail. So it does not give a guarantee success. Here one case study is given. The first case study is Superfine Rice Limited has the largest share of 55% in the market. The company's policy is to sell only for cash. In 2015, for the first time, company's number one position in the industry has been threatened because other companies started selling rice on credit also. But the managers of Superfine Rice Limited continued to rely on its previously tried and tested successful plans, which did not work because the environment is not static. This led to decline in sales of Superfine Rice Limited. Here, one situation is given that indicating two limitations of planning. What is the two limitation? The first limitation that is given in the statement that planning does not guarantee success. And the second point that is given, planning may not work in dynamic environment. Here one another case study is also given that Alpha Limited has to plan of increasing profit by 20%. The company spent a lot of time and money to frame and implement this plan. The competition increased, so it could not change its plan to beat its competitors because huge amount of money is already spent. The plan failed and company suffered huge loss. State any two limitation of planning. Here three limitation is given. You can write only two. The first limitation that is given in the statement that planning involve huge cost. The second statement that is given in the statement, planning is a time consuming process. And the third point that is given in the statement, planning may not work in dynamic environment. Here, planning process. It is very important point and one question is definitely comes from this point in the examination. The first point is, for planning, what is our first step? First step is setting up of the objective. For planning, the managers begin with setting of the objective because all the policies, procedures and methods are framed for achieving objectives only, and without determining the objectives, the company cannot plan anything. So planning first process is setting up of the objectives. The second process of planning is developing premises. It means planning required assumption for the future. Planning is the base for forecasting in the future. So that point provided ultimate solution on the basis of past information. It means the already information that is collected by the manager, that information can be used for the planning. That is called developing premises. The next point or next process of planning is listing the various alternatives for achieving the objectives. It means if we decide something, that is called deciding or determining the objective. For completing that objective, we will have to do many work. For understanding this concept in detail, let's take an example. Here, if the objective is to increase sale by 10%, then the sale can be increased by adding more line of products, by offering discounts, by increasing expenditure on advertisement, by appointing salesmen for door to door sale. It means all the four activities helps in the increasing of sale. So there is not only one factor is responsible for increasing the sale. There are many factor works for increasing the sale. The next process is evaluating of different alternatives. So if we want to decide something or we want to complete something, we decide many methods. But which method is best? We will have to choose. For this, we can choose many methods and check one by one the advantage and disadvantage of each method and select the best method. That is called evaluating of different alternatives. Selecting an alternative, after deciding the positive and negative aspect, we can opt the best alternative. And the last point is implementing the plan. We implement the plan according to the alternatives. Before implementing the plan, we check all the alternatives and find that which alternative is best, and after analyzing this, we will take decision that this method is best and we can opt this method. After deciding that method, the manager implement the plan. It means the work will be done in real form, not in the mental form. That is called implementing the plan. And the whole organization depends on the successful planning. So planning is very important concept.